I'm feeling good today, aren't you? If you aren't, I'll help you out right now. You know what? Comment your PayPal email down below and I will PayPal one of you guys $5 in one of the next videos. Maybe even say why you need it. Yeah, I think we should make it a trend and also include a word that you hear somewhere throughout the video, so you gotta watch the whole video until the end. Okay, so how to schedule Instagram posts or content in 2020. Let me ask you this, are you person A, B or C? Think about it and comment down below, are you person A, B or C? Person A, you miss Instagram posts. You had an alarm and you thought that you're going to wake up at the time that your followers are most active and you're going to post a piece of content, but you probably missed it. Are you person B, who comes up last minute to post something, opens his photos, uses some weird filter and posts some random stuff on his Instagram feed? Or are you person C, you create a lot of content within a day, you schedule this content for the whole month and you do a whole month's worth of content, patched up, created and scheduled for free using a free software that Facebook created. That's actually free. And you sit back, relax.
How dare you?
And you don't worry about what's going on within the month. Don't worry, I got my pajamas on. You didn't expect I'm gonna have a sweater, no pajamas? I have an air conditioner. So let me know, are you person A, B or C in the comments. In this video, I'll show you how to be person C, so you can grow your Instagram hands off Instagram, off your phones. My script was here, I should have this on. You grow it strategically and give your audience what it needs. The best content at the best time. And no, we're not gonna be using buffer. Nope. And definitely not gonna be using later. We're gonna be using something that's free and that is created by Facebook. That Facebook might even reward you for using, I don't know. And all you gotta do is like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can actually see it. Or I won't share a free software. But you know what, I kinda like you so far, so I'll just share it anyway. But like this video regardless, because it really helps me out. Then subscribe if you want to grow on Instagram. Okay, so I'm recording my screen right now and the piece of software is actually business.facebook.com/creator studio. This link right here. You do that and you're there. If you have a lot of pages like I do, it might be an issue, so you tick the pages you don't want to see and here's what you want to see. These are my posts. And as you can see from here, you can actually create and schedule posts and I will show you how to do it within the video. It's way better than using Later and Buffer because they are paid and Creator Studio is free. It's used by Facebook, you won't have any account compromised messages, shadow bans, whatever. We'll go through the whole scheduling post process within the video. Okay, so the first thing, and it's a bonus tip I want to show you, is IG Line Breaker. And it's actually a piece of a website, it's also free, that lets you add spacing within your post. Because sometimes when you post something, for example, we click create a post, this button to schedule a post, we click on Instagram feed, we are going to add a piece of content, but within our caption, we might write something like, hey,
it's me, I'm here, hashtag Niki, right?
But this might get removed. And in the end, the post will have a caption like this, which is really messy and it's not aesthetic. It's not. So first we'll create a really quick piece of content. I'll get my hashtags. We'll just do something like this. They are 99 cents. We'll download the image and then we click on add content right here. From file upload, we select the piece of content, we click on downloads, search for the file, get my hashtags, here it is, and now we can actually write a caption. So for example, for a piece of content like this, I would write something like,
if you want to grow the hashtags and you have no idea how to choose hashtags like the ones I have below, check the link in bio.
So then we add some spacing and then we'll add the hashtags. And I have a lot of hashtags for this post. I already know that these are good hashtags, they're working for me. And we can even bold some of the text, for example, check the link in bio, we can make it bold. Then we just click copy, dismiss, go on the Creator Studio and paste it. Here it is. And look how clean it will look. And then we can choose the date we want to publish it. And for example, it can be tomorrow, Sunday, 28 p.m. is actually a good time for my audience. And if I click schedule, it's gonna go into the schedule tab that we can see right here. All post status, scheduled. Look at it, it's so beautiful. But I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. What? By the way, all jokes aside, if you actually want to add some hashtags, some really cool hashtags that will help you grow for less than $1, 99 cents, check the link in the description down below. My agency can research them for you and just hand them out for free. So this is how you schedule it. It's really easy, and scheduling your content, batching your content, being person type C would be best if you want to be hands-off with your Instagram growth. This channel has a lot more tips like that, so again, if you want it, click the subscribe button. The secret word on the video is actually Marvel. You know, Iron Man, Infinity War. So if you want to win the $5, say the word Marvel and your PayPal email in the comments down below. And you know what? I can even shout you out in one of the next videos. We have a few shoutout winners here, and we include them right here. You know the drill. To get shouted out, comment your Instagram username down below. See you next one on video day. Keep the doctor away, and by the end of this video, check one of these videos out. This one or this one. Bye.